Today we are going to learn about optimizing cloud storage costs in hybrid environments. We will explore strategies for reducing expenses in hybrid cloud setups, providing actionable insights for balancing on-premise and cloud resources efficiently. Welcome to our video on optimizing cloud storage costs in hybrid environments. In today's digital landscape, businesses are increasingly adopting hybrid cloud solutions to leverage the flexibility of cloud storage while maintaining control over on-premise resources. However, managing these environments efficiently, especially in terms of cost, can be challenging. In this video, we'll explore various strategies to optimize these costs without compromising performance. We'll cover identifying unnecessary expenses, leveraging tiered storage solutions, utilizing data compression, automating storage lifecycle policies, and selecting the right cloud provider. Let's dive in and discover how to achieve a cost-effective hybrid cloud setup.
To optimize cloud storage costs, it's crucial to first understand the various factors that contribute to these expenses. The primary cost components in cloud storage include the cost of storing data, data transfer fees, and retrieval charges. Different cloud providers have different pricing models, which can significantly affect your overall expenses. Additionally, hidden costs, such as network egress charges and API requests, can add up quickly if not monitored closely. It's essential to analyze how data transfer impacts costs, especially in hybrid environments where data frequently moves between on-premise and cloud storage. Understanding these factors will help you make informed decisions when choosing a cloud provider and setting up your storage solutions.
One of the first steps in optimizing cloud storage costs is identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses. Conducting regular storage audits can help you pinpoint unused resources and redundant data that contribute to inflated costs. By analyzing your storage usage patterns, you can identify areas where data may be stored inefficiently or unnecessarily duplicated. Utilizing analytics tools can provide deeper insights into your storage environment, enabling you to make data-driven decisions. By eliminating these inefficiencies, you can significantly reduce your storage expenses while maintaining optimal performance.
Tiered storage solutions offer a powerful way to optimize cloud storage costs by aligning data placement with usage patterns. By categorizing data based on how frequently it is accessed, you can store infrequently accessed data in lower-cost cold storage, while keeping high-usage hot data in more expensive but faster storage tiers. Understanding the trade-offs between cost and performance is key to making tiered storage work for your organization. Automating the tiering process with policies that dynamically move data between tiers based on predefined criteria can further enhance cost savings. Leveraging tiered storage solutions can help you achieve a balanced and cost-effective cloud storage strategy. Data compression and deduplication are two effective techniques for reducing cloud storage costs by minimizing the amount of data stored. Compression reduces the size of your data, allowing you to store more data within the same storage capacity, while deduplication eliminates duplicate copies of data, reducing redundancy. These techniques not only decrease your storage footprint but also enhance data transfer efficiency. It's important to consider the impact of these techniques on performance and ensure they integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. When implemented correctly, data compression and deduplication can lead to significant cost savings in your hybrid cloud environment. Automating storage lifecycle policies is a key strategy for optimizing cloud storage costs by systematically managing the data lifecycle. By defining policies that automatically archive or delete data based on its value and usage, you can ensure that only necessary data occupies costly storage space. These policies should be aligned with your organization's data management strategies and compliance requirements. Automation not only improves storage efficiency but also reduces the risk of human error in data management. Implementing automated storage lifecycle policies can lead to more efficient use of storage resources and significant cost reductions.
Selecting the right cloud storage provider is critical for optimizing costs and achieving your business objectives. When evaluating providers, consider features such as scalability, security, and compliance capabilities. Compare pricing models to find the most cost-effective solution for your storage needs, and pay attention to any additional costs, such as data transfer fees. Assess the reliability and reputation of potential providers to ensure they can meet your performance and availability requirements. Finally, align the provider's capabilities with your specific business needs to ensure a seamless integration with your existing infrastructure and processes. Let's take a look at a real-world case study of a company that successfully optimized its cloud storage costs in a hybrid environment. This organization faced challenges with rising storage expenses and inefficiencies in data management. By implementing strategies such as tiered storage, data compression, and automated lifecycle policies, they were able to significantly reduce their storage costs. The company also faced challenges with integrating these solutions into their existing infrastructure but overcame them by leveraging expert consultants and robust planning. The results were quantifiable, with a noticeable reduction in expenses and improved data management. This case study provides valuable insights into the potential for cost savings and the importance of strategic planning in hybrid environments.
In conclusion, optimizing cloud storage costs in hybrid environments requires a strategic approach and a thorough understanding of storage dynamics. By identifying unnecessary expenses, leveraging tiered storage solutions, implementing data compression and deduplication, automating storage lifecycle policies, and selecting the right cloud provider, businesses can achieve substantial cost savings without sacrificing performance. Continuous optimization is essential as technology and business needs evolve. We encourage you to apply the techniques learned today to your own environment and explore further resources to enhance your understanding. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing the positive impact of these strategies on your cloud storage expenses.